Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G and I am back with another dip powder nails video. So let's get started. Okay, so boom, the color I'm using is Revel Bubbly. I'll also be using my Morovan hard gel, and I'm going to start off by applying my iGel Beauty base coat to all of my nails. Now in this video, I will be doing my nails using my non-dominant hand because I'm both-handed.
I wish I was both-handed.
But what you want to do is make sure that when you are brushing the product on your nail that you're turning your hand instead of the brush. So throughout the video, you'll see how I'm turning my hand instead of the brush. Now the reason why I prefer using a hard gel before I apply any other type of method to my nails is because the hard gel prevents my nails from curving as well as being thin, because my pointer and middle finger, they curve so bad to where my nails look like Gumby, and then the other nails, they just grow out thin to where they break easily. So the hard gel helps that. So now that I have wiped off the tacky layer, I'm now going to apply my base coat and then start the dipping process. And just let's appreciate how pretty this color is, but then let's not appreciate all the glitter that's with it. I don't know. Anyway, Revel, you did a great job with this color. It's spot on, perfect pink. Like, it's the perfect sheer, it's the perfect pinky color. It's perfect. It's just, it has a lot of glitter to it, and if you know me, then you know I'm really not a huge fan of glitter, but I can take this one for the team because the color is just too pretty to not use. After I dip, I do take my cuticle utensil and make sure that I clean up around the cuticles, because this will cut down on the time that it takes me to file my nails after I've completed the dipping process. guys for using your non-dominant hand, make sure that you have something for your hand to rest on. Like this little container that I have my right hand resting on, I make sure that my left hand, that the fingers are resting on it as well, so that I can reduce shaking. Because I shake, you won't see it because obviously I'm resting my fingers on it to where you can't. But that's another tip that I have. Just make sure that you have your hand resting on something. Take the cuticle utensil and clean this up, and once I clean up this pinky nail, I'm then going to dust off the excess powder and then apply a second coat. So this is what 2 coats look like, and now I'm going to proceed to add on the activator and then let that dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will say that my storage was full and I did not get any footage of me filing down my nails, like shaping them, but just know I did that. And of course after that I washed my hands and then applied my cuticle oil and my hand cream, and this is what they look like. So again, this is Bubbly by Revel, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until I make my next one, don't forget to listen to Niseva.
Subscribe and turn on notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up.